Welcome to part 3 of our video animation series, where I'll be showing you how to create any kind of movie from a movie script. We'll be continuing from where we stopped. Remember, we are trying to create a movie from a script called Genesis chapter 4. We've turned Genesis chapter 4 into a script and we are trying to create a movie out of it. We stopped at scene 29. And that's where we'll be continuing from. This is scene 29. So we'll copy the image prompt. We'll head over to Grok and we'll paste it there. So we have to edit this image prompt to fit the Bible narrative. You see that from here. This does not look like a biblical scene. So we have to edit the image prompt, also remove these people. It's talking about Jubal, who is the first to play the harp and the flute. So we edit. It says Jubal is slender built. Remove this part. I'll also remove the part of where it says small audience of family members sitting around him. And we run it again. So this is better. Choose this one. And we copy the animation prompt. We edit the animation prompt as well to remove the audience. Remember that the narration for this is the narration in scene 29. So this is good. So we save video. Save it as scene 29. Then we import scene 29.
And live in tents. His brother's name was Jubal, the first of all who play the harp and flute. Lamech's other wife.
Reduce the sound a little. So go to scene 30. Scene 30 says Lamech's other wife Zilla gave birth to a son named Tubal-Cain. He became an expert in forging tools of bronze and iron. This is the animation prompt. We copy it. Wow. So this is good. We save it as scene 30. And then we import it.
The first of all who play the harp and flute. Lamech's other wife, Zillah, gave birth to a son named Tubal-Cain. He became an expert in forging tools of bronze and iron.
Okay, now this is where it stops. If you look at the script, it says of bronze and iron. That means we have to extend this guy. We have to extend this clip to this place. We also reduce the sound to a little till we don't see the yellow. Reduce it a little. And then extend it, go to speed, and then use this arrow to extend it. Let's try again.
Lamech's other wife, Zillah, gave birth to a son named Tubal-Cain. He became an expert in forging tools of bronze and iron.
Okay, this is good. We'll go to head over for scene 31, where it says Tubal-Cain had a sister named Nama. So this is just a short narration. Very, very short. So we'll copy this and paste it in Grok.
Tubal-Cain had a sister named Naamah. What?
So we'll make a video of this. This is Nama. Naamah. That's for scene 31. So we'll download it. We'll save as scene 30, scene 31.
Tubal-Cain had a sister named Naamah.
There's no need, we have to delete from here.
One Tubal-Cain had a sister named Naamah.
Okay, so we'll head over to scene 32.
Ada and Zillah, hear my voice! Ada and Zillah, hear my voice! Ada and Zillah, hear my voice!
We can use this. We'll save this video as scene 32. Because he's trying to say something. He's trying to say, I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. So, we'll import it.
One day, Lamech said to his wives, Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me.
Okay. It says, listen to me, you wives of. Alright.
A young man who wounded me. If Cain is revenged 7 times, then whoever kills me will be revenged 77 times.
So these are his words. Right? So what we'll do now says,
Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Listen to me.
listen to me. So we'll have to continue from listen to me. So, listen to me, you wives of Lamech. So we'll copy this. And come to Grok and watch closely what is going to happen. Watch closely. You see this image, what we'll do is what's called copy video frame. Copy video frame is a way to continue a video from the last image of the last video. If you want to continue a video, you can capture the last frame of that video and use that last frame to begin a new video. So this is the last frame of this video. So we'll copy this frame and we'll paste it here. Now we've created a new, this is an image from the last frame of the video. So what we'll do now is we'll still copy this animation prompt. We'll copy this animation prompt, paste it here, and then we'll take, this is what he was supposed to say, listen to me, you wives of Lamech. We'll copy it and replace it here. Don't mind this. We'll replace it here. He begins speaking. Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. Then we'll continue from frame 33. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. We'll copy this as well. remember, there's still some things he has to say. He still needs to say, if someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times, then the one who kills me will be punished 70 times 7 times.
I killed a man to attack me, a young man who wounded me. Listen to me, you wives of Limb. I killed a man to attack me, a young man who wounded me. Listen to me, you wives of Limb. I killed a man to attack me.
So it wasn't clear, that's why I'm generating it again. He's supposed to say, listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I've killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. This is what he should say.
Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me.
This is better. So we'll download this one. This will be scene 33. And then we import it.
Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. If Cain is revenged 7 times.
So we'll continue. We'll still use that same image. All we need to do is to copy the narration. If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times, then the one who kills me will be punished 77 times. We replace it here. And then generate.
If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times, then the one who kills me will be punished 77 times. If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times.
So after many reiterations, we are able to get the correct clip.
Then the one who kills me will be punished 77 times.
So it took a lot of iterations or repetitions to get this clip. So we'll download it as scene 34. This is scene 34. We import it to Capcut.
Wounded me. If Cain is revenged 7 times, then whoever kills me will be revenged 77 times.
So
One day, Lamech said to his wives,
this is where it stops.
One day, Lamech said to his wives,
This guy is meant to stop here. This guy is meant to stop here. And then this guy is meant to stop here.
One day, Lamech said to his wives,
Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times.
You see that it's using different voices. So what we'll do,
One day, Lamech said to his wives, Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed
So we won't use this sound from the video. We won't use this sound from the initial video. We use this instead.
of Lamech.
Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded.
Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. Ada and Zillah, hear my voice. Ada and Zillah, hear my voice.
Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me.
So extend this part as well.
If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times, then the one who kills me will be punished 77 times.
Adam had hear my voice.
Listen to me, you wives of...
So
Listen to me, you wives of Lamech. I have killed a man who attacked me, a young man who wounded me. If someone who kills Cain is punished 7 times, then the one who kills me will be punished 77 times.
So that is it. We'll now head over to scene 35. We'll now head over to create scene 35. And for scene 35, it's talking about the return to Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve had sexual relationship with his wife again, and she gave birth to another son. She names him Seth. So this time around, we are going back to Whisk because we already have a loaded image, but this time they are going to be aged. So we go back here. This is Eve and Adam, and we copy the animation prompt and paste it here. So we use this image. This is them, and paste it on Grok. Copy the animation. This is where it should be.
Adam had sexual relations with his wife again, and she gave birth to another son. She named him Seth, for she said, God has granted me another son in place of Abel, whom Cain killed.
So you're supposed to fill up this space. Supposed to fill up this space. Whom Cain killed. So we check it.
Seth. Seth. Seth.
I'm redoing it because
Seth.
at the end of this, this clip, it looks like a modern house, so I have to redo it. Sometimes the AI can make mistakes. There's a picture hanging on the wall which it shouldn't be, which should not be so, since this is an ancient time. This represents an ancient time. So we'll have to redo it and see what comes out.
Seth.
This is also wrong, so we redo it.
Seth. Seth. Seth.
I wonder why the door is opening at the back.
Seth.
So let's examine the prompt.
Seth. Seth. Seth.
This is better. So we'll save this as scene 35 and import it. So make it fill this last space, increase the speed, although it's too long.
Times.
Adam had sexual relations with his wife again, and she gave birth to another son. She named him Seth, for she said, God has granted me another son in place of Abel, whom Cain killed. When Seth grew up,
So we'll head over for scene 36. So it's time to create scene 36. We'll copy and paste. We'll also copy the animation.
You're doing so well, Enosh. One more step. Look up there. See the sky? You're doing so well, Enosh.
We'll download this. And import it to Capcut.
killed. When Seth grew up, he had a son and named him Enosh. At that time, people
Then we'll go for the final scene, scene 37. At that time, people first began to worship the Lord by name.
first began to worship the Lord by name.
So this is the last scene of the video generation service. We download it, save it as scene 37, and import it into Capcut. We reduce this guy, this an ultimate scene, in order for the last scene to fit. So go to speed and hover over here till you get the arrow. So reduce it in order for this guy to fit in.
Killed. When Seth grew up, he had a son and named him Enosh. At that time, people first began to worship the Lord by name.
So we've completed this video generation for Genesis chapter 4. Next thing we'll have to do is generate captions. Since it's spoken in English, we generate Spanish caption. So we generated the
Now Adam had
now we've generated the Spanish subtitle. All we can do, we don't need the English subtitle, so we can delete them. Either we delete them individually or we hide them and leave only the Spanish subtitle. So bring it up a little and increase the size so that it can cover, increase the font size too, so it can, and change the style as well. This is the style we'll always be using, this style. This is the style we'll be using.
Now Adam had sexual relations with his wife, Eve.
So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. At the end, make sure you please like, subscribe, and also share. Thank you.